Which is Plant Manager of the Year, sponsored by Hayes Recruitment Experts. I'd like to invite up Carolina Schindler to hand this award out. Carolina, please come and join us once again to hand out an award.
And here we have 4 nominees: Andrzej Dąbrowski, CJX Europe, Andrzej Herma, Śrubelna Unia, Bartosz Masny, Recaro, and Marcin Andrzejewski, Signify.
So Carolina, thank you again for sponsoring this award and helping us with the whole event.
Hello everyone, once again. We are pleased to say that this year one of the most important awards, besides of course those who were mentioned, is the plant manager who gets this award, is Marcin Andrzejewski, Signify.
Congratulations. Please, over here at our photographers. And please feel free to say a few words.
Good evening. Thank you very much for this recognition. I know that this is the plant manager, but my nomination was based on all the things which we did with the safety environment in our factory, and this is recognition for whole factory, for all people who really do great job to increase the safety from all the aspects. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Congratulations again. Carolina, thank you very much for sponsoring this award.